Welcome to one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Brookings, South Dakota. Whether you're cruising the quiet streets, hitting the nearby walking trails, or just waving to your neighbors from your front porch right here, this place feels like home. Let's check it out. And right here on a big corner lot sits your next move-in ready home with all the space, updates, and vibe you've been looking for. We're talking 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a yard with plenty of elbow room. Perfect for backyard barbecues, tossing a football, or just enjoying a little peace and quiet. Step onto your Trex deck, grab a drink at your custom patio bar, and kick back knowing you've got fenced-in privacy. Yep, even room for that hot tub. Inside, you'll find granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and both formal and informal dining spaces. Because why choose one? The entry welcomes you with pillars, an arched doorway, and a closet big enough to actually handle real life. Downstairs, it's time to unwind. Think gas fireplace. 2 more bedrooms. And the ultimate game room. Pool table? Check. Pub table? Check. Wet bar with wine fridge? You already know. So whether you're hosting friends, hanging out with family, or just enjoying a quiet night in, this home brings the lifestyle you've been dreaming of to life. Great location, tons of space, killer entertainment areas, and a neighborhood that feels, like home, just minutes as you pull in. Call today to check it out in person for yourself. We'd love to show you around. We're the Brookings Home Team. How can we serve you? Thanks again for watching, guys, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.